So today for my project number 3, I am going to be analyzing thoroughly one of Fernando Botero's most famous pieces of art. So we might as well just go ahead and get started. So this is the death of Pablo Escobar. And this is an oil painting on a canvas, and it was painted in the year 1999. This painting was a very controversial piece for Fernando Bostero to create. This picture right here, Death of Pablo Escobar, was a part of his Escobar series, which I will show you some other paintings that were included in that series. So, along with this series of the Pablo Escobar series is this painting right here and this one. So, this piece of art, the death of Pablo Escobar, was very controversial. There was people that agreed with what Escobar was doing and people that did not agree. And the people that looked up to Escobar, this caused them to hate Fernando Botero because this is showing Escobar being assassinated. And if you don't know who Pablo Escobar is, you should really look it up. He was big into the drug industry, and for people that were supporters of him, this made them infuriated because this is a picture of who they looked up to. It's no different for those people as for some people's religion of who they look up to. And so this was a very controversial piece, and it even got to be so bad that Fernando Bostero had to flee his homeland of Colombia for his own safety because people would come after him for this piece of art, which is very interesting. In this piece of art, you can also see all of the gunshots almost seems to be like overkill. And you can see him, he's on the roof of a house or a business, and he's being shot at, and he's already been shot in the head and in the chest. And he has a gun in his hand, but his eyes are closed. You can tell he's either already dead because he has a bullet in his head or he is dying.